There's the box. There's Whisper.
With the mouse.
It's a surprise what's in the box. You ruined the surprise.
I saw her.
Okay.
Rewind.
In the box is a little tiny mouse that we don't know what to do with. Well, we caught it. We put it in there. Okay.
And duct taped it shut.
And then we duct taped it shut so he can't get out. He's stuck on a little sticky pad that we caught him
We
on.
might have killed him. I think
We're trying to break his neck, and Whisper's going to pick him up and throw him again.
He squealed in my ear last time. That's why I tried to let it go.
Okay, we're going to try this. 1, go!
Hold on, I think he's really dead.
Yeah, we tried that last time, and since we turned off the light, he squealed. Oh, turn off the light. See if he squeals again. It's the other side. Really? It's right there.
That's on camera too, huh?
I think we should try to break his neck one more time, just in case it did break.
You just wanted it on camera.
It's possible. I just want proof of how we did this. Okay, okay, he's got to be dead now.
Yeah, he's not moving.
Okay, so now we'll put him on top of the trash can and hope we get more.